Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device state and grabbing key info, IP, gateway, and DNS. Power cycle the modem, then the router, because the provider modem often needs a fresh session. This clears stale DHCP leases. Once done, connect via Ethernet to remove wireless variables and check if you receive a private IP and gateway. If you still have a 169.254.x or no gateway, proceed to force a DHCP renew on the client. That tells you if the router provided valid network settings. Now you log into the router admin to inspect WAN link and DHCP ranges because the router could be up but not getting a public address from the ISP. On your client, run ipconfig or ifconfig, then ping the gateway to verify L2/L3 reachability. Next, trace route to 8 to find where packets stop. If DNS seems suspect, set a temporary static DNS like 8 to confirm whether the issue is name resolution versus general connectivity. This isolates the failure to finish by applying targeted fixes. If firmware or routing looks corrupted, perform a factory reset and reconfigure WAN credentials because misconfigurations persist across soft resets. If the router never acquires a public IP or connectivity drops repeatedly, gather modem logs and contact your ISP. They can test the line and provision the session. Finally, verify with another device or a mobile hotspot to determine if this is local hardware, ISP, or device specific. If issues remain, consider replacing the router last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.